So if you have this CapCut problem where you're trying to crop out a specific part of your video or photo, and as you can see, it just glitched and it moved forward a little bit, which can cause it a lot of annoyance, then here's how you can fix it. So with CapCut, as I just demonstrated earlier, the way CapCut moves is because you're cropping it super slowly. If I just crop it super slowly, it's just going to move back just like that. So the first option on what you can do is if I want to move the crop over to the white line, you can move it super quickly just like that and then line it up later, and that should resolve it most of the time. Super quickly, just like that, it works. What you can also do is if you examine the video closely, you can see there are pixel lines and squares between. See, this is one square, this is another square, and like you see these lines between them. So you want to crop look at where the line is, and even if you move a little bit, you can just keep on cropping until you find that line, which is this line right over here. All you have to do is, it doesn't matter, just keep on moving it until you get to that line, and then you have cropped that same place. Now another option as what you can do is basically, let's say I want to crop to here, instead of moving it with this button, just simply click on the split button, go back to this one, and just click on delete. So that is also a really accurate way to fix it.